everybody, Timey Girl 7, your rockin' blue-haired mermaid. And we are here today because we got the October BoxyCharm. And let's be honest, it's Halloween season, so I'm hoping to find some treats in here. Let's find out what's in the box because I have no idea. I have only opened the glue area to make it easier to open. Let's see what's inside. We've got a card. And what does the card say? Alter ego. That reminds me of Halloween. I mean, how many times do you dress up in your alter ego on Halloween for a costume, huh? Quite often. Let's take a look at what we have inside. I'm just going to grab and pull it up and we'll look at it together. Okay, guys? Kind of treats are in the box. Firstly, whoa, we have It's Superhero Mascara. This is a fantastic mascara. I can tell you that because I own it. Quite a lot of it. And this mascara rocks. Really does. I'm happy with that. Next item is... Get that. I don't care what color this is. I don't care what size this is. This just blew my mind. It's a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. That is what is in my BoxyCharm this month. What the heck? Oh my god. I'm happy. Let's look at it. Let's see what color it is. Holy. Go on and tell me that is not a color that I would wear. Are we kidding here? It's gorgeous and it's full size. It's called Vampira. I'm really happy with this. I'm going to show you guys something. Let me show you something that's really cool. You ready? When I pull this out, you can see right there that it's a purple color. That it is a deep, dark purple color. Muhaha. Called Vampira, right? And it looks, in here, sort of reddish. And I'm going to show you exactly. You ready? Can you see that? How purpley red it looks? I love it. So thank you, BoxyCharm, so much because you've made my day. This is awesome. I have always wanted to try some Kat Von D, especially the lipstick, especially a color like this. It's perfect. Made my day. The only thing that would be better is if I actually had a Kat Von D tattoo from the scarring from my double mastectomy. That, huh. Well, I know BoxyCharm can't do that. So let's see what else in the box, because they can do all sorts of other things like It mascara or Kat Von D lipstick. Next item is Dermovia. Let's see if I can get this right. Dermovia Lace Appeal with compression technology, black bamboo charcoal peel off mask. I think the bird wants some. It's an intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. I have never heard of such a thing. Honestly, I'm not going to use it. I can't imagine with fibromyalgia being able to wear anything with a compression mask support. So, one of two things is going to happen. I'm either going to put it in a box and send it off to my daughter, which I can't do the sending. My husband has to. So we have a box sitting in there from Christmas last year. Still, I don't know how long it would take for her to get it, is my point. Or I might hold on to it, and at some points in the future, it may be in a giveaway that you enter using Snarflat, which is what you earn when you come to my live streams at Timey's Pool Party. Next item. This is sort of big. We're going to go with the other one. See, I'm not looking. I'm feeling. This is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm Pharmacy Facial Cleanser. That I'm happy about. This will come in very handy because what I can do, especially right now, I'm having a really tough time getting around. And at the end of the day, I'm tired. And I can get to the bathroom if I duck walk. But do I want to go to the bathroom to wash my face? I can do it from wherever I'm seated. Use something like this and a washcloth. And just clean my face. I mean, I don't have to be in the bathroom to do that if I have a washcloth, right? It's going to come in very handy right now. So, thank you. I will be using this. Last item in my alter ego BoxyCharm box, which, by the way, you get a 10% off of your next purchase from It Cosmetics, which I'll tell you what, I buy from It all the time. That makes me a very happy mermaid, doesn't it? Thank you. So what we have here is the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. Unveil your true beauty with this 10-piece face palette that is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Make a bold statement with these 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. I was right. It's face and eyelid. Very nice. And I think it's gorgeous. I love it. They're cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-free. Please recycle. The colors are the bomb. They really are. Here, ready? These are the eyeshadow colors. Check those names out on there. Enchantment, Twilight, Hidden Secret, Reveal, Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. Very cool, right? And then these are the face. The buildable shades. Put your blush and your... Yeah, you know what I'm trying to say, right? I can't remember the name of it right now. This month, October, BoxyCharm, we had the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette with all the lovely colors and shadows. It builds and builds and builds to accentuate your beautiful face. Then there is the Green Clean Melt Away Makeup Cleansing Balm. Then there is the Lace Appeal with compression technology Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which I will be saving probably for a future giveaway. The It Mascara, which works mermazing. I use it all the time. There are 2 mascaras I use all the time, and this is one of them. And the last fantastic item in the BoxyCharm was Kat Von D Vampira Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It's purpley red. I love it. Love, love, love it. So, I am a very happy camper this month. Extremely happy camper this month. I'm liking it a whole bunch. This mermaid is ready to go swim off and have some fun with her alter ego, Vampira. Have yourselves a mermazing day. I'll see you real soon. Rock on, my wild ones. Rock on.